If this is 8
Yeah,
and this is
like
7.5,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to see it, right?
Right.
More shoes.
So how does that work for taking those out just piece by piece? Or do you just cut them off?
Well, I cut them off.
And then what, you just put trim around the, just trim.
So that's enough to hold in a door, it's just those little pieces?
Oh, yeah. There's a lot.
That's why you have your nose.
Didn't know. I didn't know?
Yeah.
It's all covered up.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, sir, we'll put one in the middle here. Yep, got one back in. I'll just pull up smart. There's the bobby. Probably need one more.
Shim?
One more, yeah.
I think, Kevin, do you have shims?
One more, you're good enough.
Yeah, right at the end.
Yeah, figured it would be.
One right on the edge there.
Just about. Just a hair about. That's good. Just so she snugs.
Are you learning a lot?
Oh yeah, that's
All while hanging a door here.
I now know how to build my next house.
Yeah, that's
gone. You have this somewhat flat, what the guy is.
I just lined it up top and bottom. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's likely pretty good. You won't be too far out.
great.
And you attach your trim.
As we say, where I work, no offense, good enough for the girls we go with.